Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Snowflake for marketing analytics ELT pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Snowflake for marketing analytics ELT pipelines, start by preparing your Snowflake account. Log into your Snowflake account using your credentials. Navigate to the admin console to access user settings. Create a dedicated user role specifically for the ELT pipeline. Assign appropriate privileges to that role, ensuring it can access necessary data warehouses and databases. Next, generate a unique API key for secure access. Store the API key securely, as you will need it in the integration process. In your ELT pipeline tool, configure connection settings. Input your Snowflake account name, username, and password. Add the API key in the designated field to establish secure communication. Specify your warehouse, database, and schema in the connection configuration. Test the connection to ensure successful authentication. If the connection fails, double-check your user roles and permissions. Once connected, proceed to build your ELT pipeline workflows. Incorporate the necessary data extraction, transformation, and loading steps. Monitor the pipeline performance to ensure smooth operation. Adjust any settings based on data flow requirements or errors. Finally, document the authentication and pipeline setup for future reference. This comprehensive guide should equip you to authenticate Snowflake effectively for your marketing analytics ELT pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.